Juniper Pass straight in. Gates closed. They're all set. Field for the Breeders' Cup Marathon sent on their 1 3/4 journey. They all came out smoothly. It's Commander in the white cap, as expected, going out to show early speed alongside Sense of Purpose and Juniper Pass. The 3 outside horses are quickest early. Tucked in right behind him is Fame and Glory. Cito's gone all the way up to second now. Balladry's in the blue colours down at the rail. On the far side, Elder Far, Rompers racing in behind that. Grassy's the grey, gives them 7 length start. Then we come back to Almudena, white cap racing back second last. And not going with them is Kaleidoscopio. Kaleidoscopio's last by 10. Coming to the top of the stretch first time round. Now no early speed at all in the beginning, so Jay Cito's decided to go on and take it and kick on with it. So Jay Cito, Balladry's up alongside of him. Just in behind that, Mike Smith, and alongside we have Romp and Aldafa. They're a good 10 lengths off the leaders. Then we come back to Almudena, Not Abroad, and still last a long way is Kaleidoscopio. So they've covered half the ground now, and unfortunately Stick's already out on Fame and Glory. So Fame and Glory obviously not liking it. Coming under a ride, he's just losing ground. Third last, Fame and Glory not a factor unless he absolutely turns it around. With 5/8 to go, and Adigan's just cruising out here, gets a comfortable lead. Jay Cito's second. Commander in the white cap has lost ground. Now Frankie de Park Tartari putting Juniper Pass into a striking position in third. Aldafa. Balladry's down at the rail, and now Kaleidoscopio trying to get involved, still 8 off them. They run past the 3/8 pole now, and Adigan kicks for home. Juniper Pass looms the danger on the outside. The grey Grassy plugging away from third, and then Not Abroad. They come to the top of the lane. It's all about staying power now. Adigan and Mike Smith the ones to catch. Adigan's in front, Frankie Dettori and Juniper Pass right there. The grey Grassy's running a game 1 on the outside of that. And here's Kaleidoscopio, so far back early. But now Kaleidoscopio coming with a run in the centre of the track. It's suddenly wide open. Adigan along the inside. Down the centre, Kaleidoscopio. And Kaleidoscopio, a distant blast early on. It's coming home to Romp in the Breeders' Cup Marathon. Kaleidoscopio and Aaron Grider won it by 4 or 5.